Good morning, dear students. In last class, we had studied communication skill. In that, what is communication skill? What are the types of communication skill? Today, we will be looking at self-management skills. In that, session 1, which is describe the meaning and importance of self-management. So, let's see what is management. Management is the art of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the resource and task efficiently and effectively to achieve the goal. What is self management? Self management is the ability to control and regulate our emotions, thoughts, and behavior as per the situation. It is also known as self control or self regulation. Self management involves understanding our abilities and interests and developing self confidence through a positive attitude. Now, students who possess strong self management skill manage to do various activities effectively, like focusing on their task, managing their time, cooperating with others in school and at home, and perform better in their studies. We can define self management as our ability to control feelings, emotions, and activities, our ability to manage our tasks and goals successfully, our sincerity to learn new ideas. Self management is a key skill that will help you throughout your life. Then, what are those key skills? Initiative, accountability, time management, goal setting. These all are some key skills that help in your life. Now let's see what are the importance of self-management. Self-management is a combination of goal setting skills, planning, time management skills. Self-management is very important in life. By managing ourselves better, we become better at managing our emotions and our personal and professional life. Self-management helps us in different ways. It is an important tool in developing an overall personality in the following ways. Time is limited. You can accomplish more with less effort, improve decision making ability, become more successful in your career, and reduce stress. These all are the some importance of self management. Now let's see self management skills and its components. The steps, strategies, and skills that we can use towards the achievement of goal are called self management skills. These skills prepare us to deal with situation arising in environment where there is a little guidance, structure, and monitoring. Self management teaches us to be productive no matter what the circumstances are. Self management skills include the following: self development. It is all about developing our skills base and be eager to learn and accept new things. Being responsible. Taking responsibilities for our own action is one of the major skills that takes us towards self management. Self confidence. It is the ability to believe in ourselves and trust our own judgment. Self awareness. It is the understanding of our own behaviors, likes, dislikes, value, strengths, and weaknesses. Self motivation. It derives us to do things on our own without any external pressure or motivation. Positive thinking. It is the positive way of thinking that makes us express certainty or affirmation even in tough situation. Self control. It is the ability to control our own behavior and lead life with discipline. Taking initiative. It is being able to work without always being told what to do. Problem solving. It refers to understanding of a problem and finding a solution using step-by-step methods. Stress management, time management, goal setting. These all are some self-management components. Now let's see strength and weakness analysis. First thing, you should know what you do well or not so well, which will help you in changing your weakness into strength and improve your strength. First thing, understanding yourself. It means to understand who you are, what are your desires and dreams, your thoughts and feelings, your passions, your fears, your likes, dislikes. Being self aware or understanding who am I helps in knowing our inner strength, hidden talent, and skills, and even weakness. Strength is a quality that enables us to accomplish continued success. We all have some strength. Identifying strengths. Think about what you do best. Think of anything that you are always good at. Think about what others appreciate about you. Weaknesses is the quality that prevents us from achieving our full potential. These are the areas of improvement. Identifying weaknesses. Think about the areas where you struggle and what you find difficult to do. Take a look at the feedback you receive from others. Be open to feedback and accept your weakness without feeling bad about it. Try to and improve it. That's all about describing the meaning and importance of self management. Thank you.